Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video by Math Boulevard. In this video, I will be using the three basic trig ratios, known as SOH, to solve either a length or angle of three different right angle triangles. In my first right angle triangle, I'm being asked to solve for angle A. I know the length opposite of the right angle is always the hypotenuse. 4 centimeters is opposite of my angle A, and 8 is adjacent. Now that I have my opposite and adjacent lengths, I know to use tan. In order to isolate angle A, I need to move tan over to the other side of the equal sign. This turns it into inverse tan. After calculations, I know angle A is 26.6 degrees. In this right angle triangle, I'm solving for a length. I know 25 centimeters is my hypotenuse as it is opposite of the 90 degrees. I then use the perspective of 15 degrees to determine B is my opposite. Now that I am solving for opposite and I'm given hypotenuse, I will use sine. I will put 15 into the equation as it is given. B is my opposite and 25 is my hypotenuse. I will then calculate sine 15. I now need to isolate B. I do this by multiplying both sides by 25. This will cancel out my division of 25. After calculation, I know the length of B is 6.47 centimeters. For my last right angle triangle, I'm solving for a length. A is my hypotenuse because it is opposite of the 90-degree angle. 12 is adjacent to 36 degrees, as this length would be opposite. Since I am given my adjacent length and I'm solving for my hypotenuse, I will use cosine. I will input the angle 36 degrees. Cosine 36 is 0.81. I will then need to isolate A, and I do this in two steps. First, by multiplying both sides by A. Now, I divide both sides by 0.81. After calculations, my A length is 14.81 centimeters. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please drop a like and hit that subscribe button.